Welcome back, everyone. Mike here. It is Saturday morning and it is just another beautiful day. I mean, we have had one right after the other, but I got another load of this R6 limestone. It was supposed to come yesterday, never showed up, so they called this morning, or called late yesterday and said they'd bring it this morning, and it was here bright and early, about 6:15 this morning. So I'm going to get this little project here finished up today. I think what I'm going to do is, instead of picking up a rock and, you know, tramming with it to put it in place, I'm just going to move it twice. I think it'll be quicker. So I'll pile some up behind me here, back up a little bit, and put them where I need to put them. In a little bit here, I'll get you a shot from the drone now. I think it's looking pretty nice, actually. And then what I have left over, I'll have to clean all this up and put it all in a pile somewhere. I think I got a spot real close. But it has been a very busy week. I got a lot of things done this week. I sold a bunch of firewood this week. Yesterday, I loaded up 2 of those firewood bags to 2 different customers, and then I took a load of bulk firewood in the dump trailer. That was a full cord there. Neighbor Cliff got 2 baskets last weekend. My buddy Marty. All in all, I think I sold about 3 cords in the last week, and I have more orders for this week. This rock's heavy. Like this one piece I just grabbed, that's probably 150, 175 pounds right there. I also got, yesterday I got this area beside me here all mulched up. A lot of people are questioning that, why I am doing that. I usually know, you know, in the comments, what comments are going to be, but that one caught me off guard. A lot of people were asking why I was wasting the time to plant that grass again there. I wasn't happy with the way it looked. It didn't come out good. It got all burnt out. It was a rush job, and probably have about 2 hours invested in it, maybe even 3, but it'll look nice, and I want to have nice grass there. That's really all there is to it. And they said, you know, because we're going to put a pool in there in the spring out in front of it, and it's going to get dug up again, but that's like 8 months away. So while the weather's nice like this, I am focusing on all outside stuff, because this is not going to last forever. We've been really lucky with this weather. Need to get some smaller ones too. I don't want to use all the big ones in that one spot. This concrete block for the firewood bin, I should get them this coming week sometime. I can't wait to get that up and running. I always talk about this firewood. You know, we don't advertise or anything. It's just word of mouth, and we sell out of wood every single year. And I definitely want to pursue that a bunch more. Once we get that bin going, you can go down there and split anytime. Wood will stay nice and clean. That'll be good. I can get this side from over here, and then I need a little bit more going up the other way. So once I get this done, I'll go around and take care of that. What I have left over here, I'll end up using for like some rock line ditches or something. It's the smaller stuff. All right, I got this side here about done. I think it looks pretty good. I like it. What I'm going to do now is take the excavator around to the other side there. I'll finish that side over there. I do have a few spots here where I need to throw some little ones in by hand, but yeah, this will be good. No weed eating, none. Oh, before I get back to work, I got to read you this comment from the last video. It's absolutely hilarious. Guy says, when you talk of things turning bad, I was thinking of Mike's terrible facial eruption of the hairy growth variety. Please, Mike, get rid of the fungus and make yourself look 20 years younger. I think he's talking about the beard, isn't he? I'm pretty sure that's what he's saying. Comments like this make me never want to shave again. Do people really care? I mean, men really care? Like, I don't know, maybe they do. I don't. I've never cared what anyone else thought. I kind of like the beard. At first I wasn't sure. I may just keep it going. We'll see. And by the way, what do you call a man without a beard? A woman. It's now Saturday evening. I had to take care of a bunch of other things here, but I did get all the rock placed where I wanted it. I still have a big pile down there by the excavator. I'll have to move it somewhere. I think where I'll put it is on the other side of the excavator, make a little flat spot there right in the tree line, kind of out of the way, and then when I need some, it'll be down there. Like I said earlier, I could use that stuff for like rock line ditches or, you know, really anything. Definitely not going to go bad. All that's left is, I don't know, I got a few big pieces left, but most of it's probably like 6 to 8 inch or 6 to 10 inch stuff. But yeah, I'm just watering this grass here. Actually watering the seed. There's no grass yet. But I would predict, if I give it a little bit of water each evening and we'll get rain maybe later this week, it should be green, look pretty nice in about 10 days. But the weather's been just absolutely fantastic. I would rather have to water this a little bit than it rain every day. But yeah, things are moving along. Oh, so I wanted to mention, a lot of people have been asking about Hunter. If you follow our Facebook page, Outdoors with the Morgans, Melissa posted on there the other day. He had a couple more seizures this week, and he's doing fine now. We went to the hospital the other day, had some blood work done. I think everything came back pretty good there. It may be just his medication isn't working as well as it used to. I have no idea. But we'll meet with a doctor this week and figure out what we can do. Melissa and I were planning on going out west next week, actually, on a little vacation. But until we get this figured out, we're not going anywhere. But yeah, things will work out. They always do. But by the way, check out our Facebook page, Outdoors with the Morgans. Melissa usually posts something on there at least every day. Kind of like more behind the scenes stuff and more family stuff, I guess you could say. And also you'll get an idea of what the upcoming video is going to be. While I'm doing this, I'm thinking about a lot of different things to talk about. But the Ford Bronco that we've been waiting on, I'm thinking it may actually happen relatively soon at this point. I'm not 100% positive, but Ford, I guess, got their hardtop roof thing figured out. And a couple weeks ago, they said they would be shipping the Broncos in October. And then they came out last week and said they're actually ahead of schedule, which is something I haven't heard in a year and a half. But they're ahead of schedule, and they're going to start shipping them within a week. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, that should be coming relatively soon. And something else worth a mention, Paul Bunyan show, first weekend in October near Cambridge, Ohio. Melissa and I will be there. It would be great to meet you if you, it's a great show, it is. They've got anything you can think of wood related, from, you know, small little residential log splitters and chippers and chainsaws, sawmills, firewood processors, up to big Tiger Cat forestry equipment, tub grinders, all kind of stuff. But if you're into firewood or lumber or anything like that, it's a great show. And like I said, it's near Cambridge, Ohio, and Melissa and I will be there at least Friday and Saturday. We'll kind of put the times, we'll mention what times we'll be there exactly in an upcoming video as we get a little bit closer, but maybe you can make it. I've mentioned before, that whole area down there, you know, where the sawmill and everything is, actually from about where that fence is, behind the excavator, that was all woods maybe, I don't even know, 10 years ago. And I cleared all those trees and made that spot down below to have a little bit of a work area. But when I planted that grass down there on both sides of that road, it was a real dry time of year, and I needed to water it, and I knew it'd take a lot of water. So I had a, I don't know, 400-gallon tank or something. I'd take it down to the pond and fill it up down there, and then I had a 2-inch trash pump, and I necked it down, you know, the discharge end, I necked it down to a 3/4-inch pipe, and man, would that thing throw the water. I could empty that 400-gallon tank in, I don't know, like 8 or 9 minutes, but I get a lot of water on the ground in a hurry. All right, I'll give you a little walk around here. I still need to do just a little bit of handwork here, fill in a few places, and this road here will get all fixed up, and fresh coating of stone on it. Before I mentioned I was, you know, considering building a retaining wall here, and I was thinking like it'd be about $5,000 for material, but actually to go as far as I did up that way and around that other side there, I think it'd be more like $8,000 or $10,000. And both loads of this rock was just a little over $1,000. And like I said, I still have a lot left, but what I'll probably do is put it right over there where those weeds are. I'll mow them down, make a nice flat spot there, and I'll pile all this up there, and if I ever need any, it'll be right there. But anyway, I think that's it for today's video, but don't run off yet, because I'm going to give you a view from above and show you what this looks like. And like I always say, I really appreciate y'all being here. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.